We'll guide you through how to factory reset an iPhone 14. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you're wanting to factory reset an iPhone 14 or a different 14 model, it doesn't matter. Perhaps you wanted to go and have a fresh start for yourself, or you wanted to go and sell or give it away. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you want to do is have it unlocked and come onto the first page and find settings. If you struggle to find it, you can always drag down and go and type in settings. Here we are. So you may want to consider doing a backup. If you've got data on here, you may want to go and get onto a new phone in the future. The first way you can do a backup is via iCloud. So at the top of settings, you can tap your name, go down to iCloud, scroll down and find iCloud backup. Switch backup this iPhone on and you can press backup now. This does require iCloud storage. I haven't got enough, but I could go and purchase more. What I like to do though is I like to just go and plug this into my computer, and with the Apple Devices app, I can go and do backup there. And it saves me from having to use iCloud. And you don't have to use the internet, so it can be quicker. However, you may not want to do a backup, so don't worry if you don't want to, or if you have, great. Then when you're ready to go and do the reset, you want to go and scroll down and find the option for general and tap there. And you want to go and scroll down and find the option transfer or reset iPhone. At the bottom, you can find the option erase all content and settings and tap there. Now you can go and see what's going to be erased. So the apps and data, the Apple account's going to be removed, Find My and Wallet. That's fine with me. I'm going to press continue. And you can then confirm the decision by pressing erase iPhone. Now what I need to do here is go and enter in the passcode and it will upload data. I'm going to press skip. I'm not interested. And to confirm this, we need to go and enter in the password. So enter in the Apple account password to turn off Find My and the activation lock, and then press turn off. And we can go and start the process. When it completes, it'll then be ready to be set up again.